Fields in Integra. This tutorial will give you an overview of the different types of fields in Integra and show you how to navigate around the system using these fields and the various hyperlinks. A field in Integra is the part of the screen where data can be typed in. There are different types of fields that require different methods of data entry and querying. The basic type is a white field with a dark border, like the forename and surname fields. These are free text fields where data can be typed directly into the field. A field with a lighter border is a read-only field. Data in these fields have been entered in another tab. To amend the data, you need to go to the tab that holds that data. For example, the phone number has been entered in the Phone or Email tab. You can move between fields with your mouse or the Tab key on your keyboard. There are drop-down lists which provide a list of values for you to choose from. You do not type directly into the field. Instead, you click on the drop-down arrow at the end of the field and select a value from the list. The list is displayed in alphabetical order, and if the list is long, you can also enter the first letter of the value you are looking for to go directly to it. There are bold fields throughout the screens. This indicates that the field is mandatory when you are entering data. You will not be able to save a record unless all mandatory fields are completed. However, these fields are not mandatory when you are searching for records, only when you are entering data. Bold fields are set up by system administrators. If there is an ellipsis box at the end of a field, it means that you cannot enter data directly into the field. Instead, when you click on the ellipsis button, another search screen or list screen will appear. The Honours field is an example of a list screen. You have a list of values to select from by highlighting the item and using the arrow keys to add or remove to the list. If you click on the ellipsis button on the parent individual field, a search screen will appear, which means you have more search options available to you. These search screens are covered in a separate tutorial. There are also several date fields across the various tabs in Integra, like the date of birth field. A date field requires a day, month and year to be entered in that order. You can enter a date like this, or like this. In the main screen of Integra, there are various hyperlinks, which are the blue fields. Hovering your mouse over the text will change a cursor to a hand. For instance, clicking on the address hyperlink will launch a browser and take you directly to the map website. Clicking on the email hyperlink will launch your email system with the email address already inserted. There are also several hyperlinks in the screens that allow you to jump from one record to another in a different screen. For example, in the individual screen, if you click on the employer hyperlink, you'll be taken straight to that record in the organisation screen without having to query for it.